rod vacuum sealed. The other was stainless steel. This is 7018 low hydrogen. Well, maybe I got it sealed, but a friend of mine gave me this idea, and there we go. Sometimes it's a little fussy, this thing, but that's almost 50 pounds of 7018 low hydrogen that now is safe from the elements. So like I said, I gotta thank a friend of mine for giving me the idea. Well, keep the greasy side down, and remember, love one another. God bless all.